Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome to the show. Jack Scalfani here, Cooking with Jack show. And once again, our sponsor, Dot Store, is spending the holidays with us. And I want you to know something. In the 12 years I've done this show, no sponsor ever came on that I didn't believe in. I wouldn't take just any sponsor. I believe in Dot Store. I use Dot Store. It's good for my business, and I'm telling you, it's good for your business. And they even gave us a discount code. The name Jack, just type it in when you're cashing out. I got the link down below, and you get a Dot Store extension for $1.99. That's crazy. That's a great deal. So if you're selling stuff like I am, whether it's merchandise or on Amazon and all that, get your own special custom web address that ends with .store to tell people that you are a store. All right? So guys, thanks for sponsoring this episode. Now, come on in close. We're doing a real simple dipping treat, and I've never done this before. So I'm doing it to show you how easy it is. We're going to try at least. I've never done this before in my life. We're going to take candy canes and dip them in chocolate and then put sprinkles on them. We're going to take pretzel rods and dip them in chocolate. I know that's been done before, and put sprinkles on them. This is the one that I'm not sure about. These are giant. Look at these. I'm not sure if the chocolate's going to stay on these or not, so you might see a failure on the show today. Who knows? But I'll be honest, and I'll tell you if I screw up, all right? So we're going to do white chocolate, and we're doing regular chocolate. Let's start with the white chocolate. Let's get that melted, these unwrapped, and the sprinkles in little bowls. Okay, guys, so we got this glass, and we're going to be using this glass to melt the chocolate. So it's cylindrical, so that we've unwrapped the candy canes, we can dip them straight in, and then pull them straight out, and then sprinkle them. So it's, we're going to wing this, because we've never done it before. We're doing the same thing with the pretzel rods, okay? They're going to have a lot more chocolate than the candy canes, but let's get this in the microwave and melt that chocolate. All right, now while the chocolate is melting in the microwave behind me, I just want to remind you that if you have kids who absolutely love to do the dipping, the chocolate's not hot. If you get the almond bark, you can get it in white or brown chocolate. It doesn't get hot when you microwave it. It'll melt, and the kids can help you dip without burning their hand. Put the glass over here. Okay, now you're going to dip this candy cane. See if the chocolate coats it. If it does, then just hold it straight out so I can sprinkle it. Seems to be holding chocolate. Bring it over here when you get a chance.
I gotta let it stop.
Stop dripping. I let it drip on the. There you go. Then just do your sprinkling. Have somebody rotate it so the chocolate stays on and doesn't fall off. There we go. Beautiful. I'm going to lay it down now. Put a little bit more on. There we go. All right. Now let's do one more. And I'll do the red and green now. You can let it all drip on here, doesn't matter. There we go. Now we'll do the pretzels. Those we've seen done before, so they should work just fine. Okay, we got all of these, so we're going to pop them in the freezer for just a few minutes, maybe 5-10 minutes to solidify the chocolate. And bring out another cookie sheet, or you can put yours in between. You want to do that?
No.
No? Okay. So whatever you choose to do, we're bringing out a new cookie sheet. let me talk about this really quick because we discovered a few things. You can see how thin the chocolate was on the candy canes, but the dark chocolate, we let it wait. We waited just a moment and let the chocolate solidify just a little bit so it would have a better grip, and it coated really well. So be careful, wait a moment before you dip your candy canes, all right? Pretzels came out great. Everything came out great. They all look beautiful. Look at this. Look at that. It's gorgeous. So what are we doing with the candy canes? I don't eat candy canes, but I'll tell you, these are going to be thrown in coffee, hot milk, hot chocolate, and you stir it around, you get more chocolate and peppermint flavor. It's just delicious looking. It's going to be amazing. You can put them in any kind of a drink you want for the winter time, and these are the ones that you just eat. So I'm going to try one of these right now and tell you how good it came out. Okay, guys, I am so in the holiday spirit right now. I want to thank my sponsor, Dot Store, for sponsoring this video and the last holiday video and being a part of my holiday season. You guys are great, all right? So let's try out this one right here. My wife told me I should bend over when I bite this because it's like glitter. She said it'll go everywhere. So I don't want it to go everywhere. Here we go. You're right. Oh, came out great. Perfect. You got to do this with the kids. This was so simple. Make sure you wait just a second, and it only takes 3 minutes to firm up. Pop in the freezer. Within 3 minutes, they're ready to eat. It's all good. All right, I love you. Happy holidays, and I'll see you in the next video.